Hi everybody, it's Cheryl Papayan, your Avon Team Shine sales team leader. Happy Sunday. I am coming to you live from Southern California. I want to show you guys, do a little bit of training, show you how to tag products that you are posting on your Facebook and Instagram. So you're actually going to be tagging the product in the photo so that people can easily get to that product on your website. So I am wearing today the Annie printed dress that is available in campaign 7. I bought it as a demo. I absolutely love it. The material is very luxurious, so I'm really excited about it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen so that you guys can see it. This is take 3 or 4. I did this video yesterday, and unfortunately I didn't share my screen, and then I started to do it again today, and we lost our internet right in the middle of it. So hopefully this is going to be a successful recording. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is choose a product that I am going to promote on my Avon Facebook page and my Instagram page. So I have gone to, let's see, I have logged into youravon.com and clicked on Avon Social. And now I'm going to choose a product. So I'm going to go to Content Planner. Now you can go to your website and choose a product as well. I just find it easier to come in here and find a product. So I'm going to click on Campaigns. I'm going to go to, we're in campaign 5, so I'm going to select campaign 5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just do this very first product. It's the new Hydrofusion Nighttime Facial Treatment. So I've already saved from the other videos, save this photo to my desktop, but what you would do is you would right click, save image as, and you could save it anywhere you want. I like to save them directly on my desktop so that I have easy access to them, and you would click save, but I'm not going to do that because I've already done it twice. Okay, so this is the product that we're going to promote on our store or on our Facebook Avon page and on Instagram. So this is a new Hydrofusion Nighttime Facial Treatment. So I'm going to go over to my store. Okay, so I'm going to do a search for that product. Okay, let's see. Here we go, right here. Oops. Okay, so I want to go to that page on my store. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy the URL, Control C, after highlighting it. And I'm going to go over to my Cheryl's Glitz and Glam. This is my Avon Facebook page. So on the right-hand side here, I have Shop. I'm going to click on Shop. Now I'm going to add this product to my products that you can shop on my Facebook page. So the first thing I'm going to do is right here, the checkout URL, I'm going to put the link in there. Now I'm going to add that photo, select Files, scroll down and find that photo. Here it is, click on it, highlight it, open, and use this photo. So now I want the name of it. So I'm going to go back over to my website, highlight the name, Control C, and Control V as in Victor to paste that in there. So now the price of it is $32. So we're going to put that in there. Now if it was on sale, you could click this product is on sale and you could put that sale price in there. So now I want a description. Now, they let you put quite a bit of text in here, so I'm going to copy this entire description here, Control C, and put it in here, Control V. I don't want to share this product on my page because I'm going to do a separate post. The visibility is public, and I'm going to save. Now this will add this product, so I am going to refresh my page right here, and you will be able to see that I have added that product right here. So now we're going to post it on our page. So over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to click Home, which is going to take me to my main page here. And we're going to start creating a post. So the first thing I'm going to do is select the the photo. Sorry about that. So I've got the photo there, and now we want some text. So I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to select the name of it. Actually, I'm going to go back over to Avon Social. I'm going to click Post, and I'm going to get product information right here. So I'm going to select this first sentence here. Well, okay, so I'm going to select all of this right here. I'm going to edit that once I get over to here. You want to be purposeful in your post. Just don't put a bunch of stuff there. You want it to attract your customers and not be just a bunch of text. So I am going to, there we go. So that I'm happy with this. Then I'm going to add some hashtags. Now with Avon, with Facebook, you don't want to overdo it on the hashtags versus Instagram. You want to do a minimum of, say, 11, and you can do a maximum of 30. Use as many as you can. Sometimes, probably 75% of the time, I'll put 30 hashtags in there. I want people to be able to find me in all those different ways by doing searches on those hashtags. So bear with me while I put some hashtags in here. Not a very fast or good typer. Let's see, what else do I want to put in here? Skincare. Okay, that'll be good for now. Okay, so we've got this all ready to go. I am going to go ahead and click where these 3 dots are right here. And if you look down here, it says Tag Product. I'm going to click on that, and it's right here. So I'm going to select the product, and it has product shown, and it shows it there. And I'm going to share it now. Now this is why you want to add the product in the shop section of your Facebook page before you do the post so that you can actually tag it. Okay, give it just a second. Okay, so you see this little shopping bag right here? That means that the product has been tagged. So if we click on the photo, you will see over here that people can actually click right on that. And right here, check it out on website. Boom, it will take you right to the product on your Avon website. How cool is that? I love it. Now, you're going to be able to do the same thing on Instagram. So I'm going to show you. It's really hard to actually be able to see what I'm doing on my phone. So I'm going to stop the share here. Okay, so let me go to my Instagram page. Let me find something to tag. see if I've already checked. Okay, so hopefully you can see here, this is a post that I did about the Avon sweeps. Okay, so what I'm going to do is up here at the top, wait till the lighting adjusts a little bit, which it will. Got to be patient here. Oh, it looks like a start. Okay, so over here, probably can't see it. There's 3 dots right here. So I'm going to click on those. Oops. And I'm going to click on edit. Oh, let me get closer. Difficult to show you on a phone. Okay, so I'm going to click edit. See if I can do this. Oh, edit. I'm going to go up to the picture. And you will see, I can't see. Okay, so there's a place right here for tagging. So I'm going to click that, and then you'll see it gives you the option down here to tag products. And this will go to the products that you've tagged in Facebook. So if you click on the photo, you will see right here the Avon Crave. So we'll select that. And it has now tagged the Avon Crave lip gloss. So we're going to select done, done. Oops. And we have now tagged that product on Instagram as well. So what happens is you'll see there, tap to view products. So if you click on that, you'll see that the description and the price shows up. And if we click on that, it will open up that tag and say view on website. So you click there and it will take them to your e-store to that product. How cool is that? I love it. So I hope you could see that really good on my phone. Now I do have an iPhone. I don't know if other phones are different, how they work with doing all this stuff. But this is how you tag products that you're sharing on your Facebook, your Avon Facebook page, and on your Avon Instagram page. So I hope this was helpful. I love showing you guys new things. Make sure that you are doing this. It is a little bit more time consuming, but one thing that I've learned over the years is to be more purposeful with my post. The goal is not just to, it's not the quantity of the posting that you're doing, it's the quality. And that quality of the post is what's going to get people to go to your Avon website to shop and actually buy products from you. So we want to be more purposeful doing that. Remember, quality over quantity. You could post 10 simple posts, you know, look at this product, go to my website and shop and buy it. But you want to be more purposeful. You want to pay attention to what your text says. You want to put information in there that gets them interested, curious about the product. You want to include those hashtags that people are searching on social media. Say I was looking to buy a new lip gloss and I wanted to know what was hot, you know, what was hitting the market, and you do a search for hashtag lip gloss. You want people to find you. So you want to be putting those hashtags in there, and you want them to be related to what you're posting. You don't want to post motivation, hashtag motivation, when you're posting about makeup. Okay, so just pay attention to those little details. Make your post count, and quality over quantity. All right, well, you guys have a great Sunday, or if you're viewing this on another day, whatever day it is, night, week, whatever, enjoy it, and we will see each other soon. Bye.